Ever wondered how traffic intercepting tools play a vital role in the field of cybersecurity? These tools, often overlooked, are the unsung heroes of the digital realm, providing a vital layer of defense against potential threats. In the world of cybersecurity, the importance of traffic intercepting tools cannot be overstated. These tools function as the eyes and ears of a network, diligently monitoring the flow of data between a client and a host. They act as a crucial checkpoint, scrutinizing every bit of data that passes through. Now, imagine being able to not just monitor, but to intercept and even modify this traffic. It's akin to having the ability to stop a letter in transit, open it, read its contents, and if necessary, alter the message before it reaches its destination. That's precisely what traffic intercepting tools enable cybersecurity professionals to do. This ability to monitor, intercept, and modify traffic is invaluable when it comes to identifying and analyzing potential threats. Whether it's a suspicious data packet, an unusual request, or an unsecured connection, a traffic intercepting tool can spot it, flag it, and allow for appropriate action to be taken. Among these tools, one stands out for its comprehensive features and user-friendly interface, the Burp Suite. This tool is a favorite among cybersecurity enthusiasts and professionals alike. It's like a Swiss Army knife, equipped with a multitude of features to help navigate the complex landscape of network security. The Burp Suite is more than just a traffic interceptor. It's a robust platform that provides a range of capabilities, including vulnerability scanning, session management, and even the ability to automate certain tasks, making it a versatile tool in the hands of a skilled operator. Today we delve deep into one such tool, the Burp Suite, to understand its functionality and usage. And remember, in the digital world, knowledge is your best defense. So let's get started and uncover the secrets of traffic intercepting with the Burp Suite. Burp Suite is a powerful tool that every cybersecurity enthusiast should get their hands on. It's not just a tool, it's a complete package that has been specifically engineered for web application security testing. Think of it as your Swiss Army knife for all things related to cybersecurity. So what makes Burp Suite so special? Well, its main features include an interception proxy, web scanning, and intruder attacks. Let's dive a little deeper into each of these. The interception proxy is the heart of Burp Suite. It allows you to intercept and manipulate the traffic between your browser and the target application. This feature provides you with the power to modify the data that is being sent and received, giving you the ability to test the application's responses to various inputs. Next, we have web scanning. This feature is your automated security auditor. It scans the target application for common security vulnerabilities, such as cross-site scripting and SQL injection. It's like having a personal security consultant who is always on the lookout for potential threats. Lastly, we have the intruder attacks feature. This is where you can get creative and really test the resilience of the target application. The intruder feature allows you to automate custom attacks against the application. Whether you're testing for password strength or trying different input combinations, the intruder is there to help streamline the process. All these features are housed in a user-friendly interface, making it easy for both beginners and seasoned professionals to navigate through the application. It's a comprehensive tool that brings together all the necessary elements for effective web application security testing. Now, you might be wondering about the learning curve. Yes, it can be a bit steep, especially if you're new to cybersecurity. But don't fret. Like any other tool, practice makes perfect. Spend some time exploring the features, experiment with different inputs, and before you know it, you'll be a Burp Suite pro. Now that you've got a grip on what Burp Suite is all about, how about we walk you through how to use it? Scene script. Setting up Burp Suite is a straightforward process. Let's dive right into it. First, you'll want to ensure your system meets the requirements to run Burp Suite smoothly. This tool is compatible with Windows, macOS, and Linux. For the best performance, you'll need a system with at least 4 GB of memory and a modern processor. Now onto the installation. Head over to the official Portswigger website, the creators of Burp Suite. Navigate to their Downloads page and choose the version that suits your needs. For beginners, the Community Edition is a great place to start, as it's free and offers a comprehensive set of features. Once you've downloaded the installer, run it. The installation wizard will guide you through the process. It's pretty straightforward. Just follow the prompts, accept the license agreement, and choose your preferred installation location. After the installation is complete, you'll find Burp Suite in your Applications or Programs list. Open it up, and you'll be greeted with a startup wizard. This wizard is super helpful, and will guide you through the initial configuration of the tool. During this setup, you'll be asked to confirm your proxy listener settings. This is a crucial step, as this is how BurpSuite will intercept your web traffic. The default address is localhost with the port set to 8080. Unless you have specific needs, it's best to stick with these settings. Now you might be wondering, how does BurpSuite intercept web traffic? Well, it does this by acting as a proxy between your browser and the website you're accessing. But to do this, you'll need to configure your web browser to use BurpSuite as its proxy server. This process varies by browser, but generally, you'll find these settings in the Network or Internet Options section. Set your browser to use the same address and port you configured in BurpSuite, and voila, you're all set. Finally, you'll want to install Burp's root certificate in your browser. This allows BurpSuite to intercept secure HTTPS traffic without causing browser warnings. And there you have it. You've successfully set up BurpSuite on your system. Now you're ready to start exploring the world of traffic interception and web security. Now that you've got BurpSuite up and running, it's time to put it to use. First off, setting up your browser to work with Burp is essential. You'll need to configure your browser's network settings to use Burp as its proxy. This generally involves setting the browser's proxy server to localhost and the port to the one Burp is listening on, typically port 8888. Don't forget to install Burp's CA certificate into your browser to intercept HTTPS traffic. Next, let's dive into intercepting and modifying requests. To intercept requests, navigate to the Proxy tab and ensure Intercept is on. When you browse a website, the request sent by your browser will be captured by Burp. To modify a request, simply edit the details in the Intercept tab before forwarding it on. This allows you to change any part of the request, including the method, URL, headers, and body content. Now, onto the Intruder feature. The Intruder tab is your gateway to automating customized attacks. To use it, first send a request to the intruder by right-clicking on a request anywhere within Burp and select Send to Intruder. In the Positions tab, clear the existing payload positions and then define where you want to insert your payloads. Then move to the Payloads tab to specify the type of payloads you want to use. Once everything is set, hit Start Attack and watch Burp work its magic. Remember, BurpSuite is a powerful tool, but with great power comes great responsibility. Use it wisely and ethically. It's not a tool for causing harm or breaching privacy. It's a tool for understanding, for learning, and for improving the security of the digital world. With these steps, you can effectively use BurpSuite to intercept and modify traffic. BurpSuite is indeed a powerful tool in the field of cybersecurity. Throughout this video, we've delved into the depths of this ingenious software, unraveling its potential and highlighting its key features. We kicked off with a broad overview of traffic intercepting tools, their purpose and significance in the cybersecurity realm. These tools play a pivotal role in securing the digital frontier by allowing us to inspect, monitor, and manipulate network traffic. This is crucial in identifying and addressing potential vulnerabilities, ultimately fortifying our cyber defenses. Then we zoomed in on BurpSuite, a leading traffic intercepting tool. It's an integrated platform for performing security testing of web applications, offering a diverse range of features. From a detailed HTTP proxy to a robust scanner, it provides the user with a comprehensive toolkit for web application security testing. We also walked through the process of setting up BurpSuite. From installation to configuration, we covered the steps to get your BurpSuite up and running. Though it might seem complex initially, remember that it's a journey, not a race. Each step is an opportunity to deepen your understanding of the tool and refine your skills. Furthermore, we explored how to use BurpSuite, demonstrating its functionalities and showcasing its versatility. We highlighted how it allows you to intercept, analyze, and alter web traffic, providing valuable insights into potential security weaknesses. But the learning doesn't stop here. The key to mastering BurpSuite, like any other tool, lies in consistent practice and continuous learning. The cybersecurity landscape is ever evolving, and so should our skills. Don't be afraid to experiment, make mistakes, and learn from them. Remember, BurpSuite is not just a tool, it's a companion in your cybersecurity journey. It's a platform that empowers you to take control of your web application security, to probe, to question, and to innovate. With practice and patience, you'll master BurpSuite in no time, enhancing your cybersecurity skills.